guys! Welcome back to my channel, and before anything else, if you're new here, please click that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So in this video, gagawin ko yung right hand ko with a design suggested by one of you, and that is clear glass nails with butterfly designs. So first, mag-start tayo with prepping. Ito yung palagi kong ginagawa and I've always included it in my previous recent videos. Gumagamit ako ng cuticle pusher first and then yung kabilang side naman para tanggalin yung dead skin after i-push back natin yung cuticles. Make sure guys to do this gently para maiwasan nyo na masugatan yung sarili nyo. Pagkatapos natin gawin yan sa lahat ng nails, gagamit naman tayo ng nail drill. Yung gagamitin nating nail bit is manipis lang para mag-fit siya sa ating cuticle area. This will further remove any dry dead skin to avoid lifting. After that, gagamitin naman natin tong file na to for our natural nails. Ipa-file natin yung mismong nails natin para mas dumikit na maayos yung extensions. Ito yung ginagamit kong file every time gagawin ko tong step na to kasi itong file na to di siya ganun ka-sharp kasi matagal ko na rin tong ginagamit and para maiwasan rin na ma-overfile yung natural nails natin. Pagkatapos nun, mag-a-apply na tayo ng nail dehydrator. If you don't have one, pwede mo na kayong mag-DIY ng sarili nyong dehydrator. Maghalo lang kayo ng acetone and alcohol. Yun din yung ginagamit ko before nung wala pa ako nito, pero mas better if gumamit kayo ng mismong nail dehydrator and primer. Ito naman yung primer. I-apply din natin siya after the dehydrator and may nagsuggest sa akin na when applying this, don't put too much kasi pwede siyang mag-cause ng allergic reaction. So be careful when applying this, lalo na pag hindi siya acid-free. Ito yung gagamitin nating extensions and pinili ko yung clear since gagawa tayo ng glass nails and also nail forms. Mag-a-apply din tayo ng base coat on all of the nails before putting the actual extensions. And then, i-cure natin siya for 60 seconds. Now that's done, ilalagay na natin yung form sa ating nails. For our first layer, ilalagay ko muna yung Builder gel sa bandang tip ng nail onto the form sa desired length. Since this is a Builder gel, di na natin kailangan ng alcohol as a slip solution tulad ng paggagamit tayo ng polygel. And when moving around the gel, gagamitin mo yung brush mo to lightly drag it around. Di tulad sa polygel kung saan gagamitin mo talaga yung brush mo to control the polygel. And for the second layer, lalagay na natin yung gel sa buong nail. So, ito na yung nails ko after malagyan lahat ng extensions and tinanggal ko na rin yung forms. Manipis lang muna yung ginawa ko since mag-encapsulate tayo ng butterfly designs later. Ito yung gagamitin natin and hindi ko to binili online so hindi ko mapaprovide yung link for this product. Nabili ko kasi siya from a retail store malapit sa amin and minsan dun din ako bumibili ng ibang nail supplies like nail files and such. Gagamit ako ng base coat para idikit yung butterflies so mag-a-apply ako ng thin coat and before ko siya i-cure, ipi-place ko na yung mga designs. After natin malagay yung butterflies, i-encapsulate na natin siya. And then, pagkatapos nun, ipa-file na natin siya. For the pointer and ring finger, maglalagay tayo ng color and napili ko is pink pero wala akong pink gel polish so mag-mix tayo ng red and white gel polish. And then let's top it all off with gel top coat. And lastly, don't forget to apply cuticle oil.
Perfect.
So, ito yung kinalabasan niya. Super cute kasi favorite ko talaga yung color pink and the butterflies. Thank you sa nag-comment and nag-suggest that I do butterfly nails and also sa nag-suggest din that I make clear nails. I think those designs complemented each other well. So, please if you have any suggestions, go ahead and comment it down below. So, I hope that you guys enjoy this video as much as I do. So, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, follow me on Instagram at @happyfingers. And if you're new here, subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notifications, and I'll see you on the next one.